Are you stuck at home right now?
Do you have any unused items that might be cluttering up your bedroom or living room?
How would you like to turn that clutter into cash?
Well, today we're going to show you how to sell on eBay in just not one, two, but three easy steps.
I'm Morgan.
And I'm Brooke, and we sell on all platforms of e-commerce every day. And through these hard times, we thought maybe you could sell some too and make a little extra cash. And now Lil Mo is going to tell you step one, which is market research.
Market research is super important. So the first thing, you have to look at your house for an item that you would like to sell. We found this cute wine glass, and it says, "I teach, therefore I drink," which you teachers know is definitely true. So you just want to go to eBay and you want to do a pretty narrow search of your item. So I'd put this search in. As soon as you hit search, it's going to pop up all sorts of items. But what you want to do is come over here and click advanced, because you want to see only the items that had previously sold. So you're going to click sold right here and search. And I see just yesterday this sold for $17.99. So there's definitely a demand and market. So we're going to move on to step number two.
Step number two is the shipping calculator and eBay and PayPal fees. So what we're going to do is go through, put our box dimensions, our package weight, and we also, remember, you need to put the package in the box and to weigh it to make sure you have the proper weight. We're going to have a couple of links down in this description for some items you may need, like a box or a kitchen scale so you can weigh your items. We usually just sell a lot of things that are under a pound, so you don't have to have a fancy scale. From there, after we weighed our dimensions and weight, we put the zip codes where we're from or to it goes to where it goes. We put the furthest shipment, which we usually look for California or somewhere on the West Coast, and then we click calculate shipping. From there, we always use USPS. We usually ship USPS first class, and eBay has a huge discount when you use their shipping. So you see how you save 28% by just going through the eBay site. From there, you can see what the item was last sold for, 17 bucks. You see the shipping cost, which we add in to our product, so it looks like free shipping. And you can see down here we have a total net profit of $6.85 that you could potentially make off of this one wine glass. Your eBay fee is $1.18 and PayPal fee is 82 cents, which is all totaled in what you make. So there you go. Just a wine glass can make you $6.85 in one sale. From there, we're going to go to step three, which is listing your item and getting paid, the most important part. So Morgan's going to take over.
Definitely. So we want to go to create a listing. The easiest way to access this from the page where we found the one that sold recently, which was just yesterday. So get started today, guys. You're going to click on it and you can see sell one like this. As soon as you click that link, it's going to take you right here. There's already going to be a title entered. It's super easy. Photos, you can take it right off your phone. The more photos you do, the better, because you want somebody to feel really confident in buying something that you're selling. If you can fill out as many of these as possible, some people search for particular items, so the more the better. Enter a description. You can write it up yourself. You can find something through a Google search. You can pick fixed price or auction. We prefer cash up front, so we go fixed price.
Fixed price, baby.
We'd rather set our listings. I'm going to go for the same price as sold for yesterday. I'm not going to turn best offer on now. If it doesn't sell for a couple of days, I might come turn that back on. We already have our free shipping, because you know you love free shipping.
Who don't?
That's where I'm shopping at. And as you can see here at the bottom, the most awesome thing is that it is $0 in fees. You get 50 free listings on eBay a month. So even if it doesn't sell, you're out nothing. So as you can see, this is basically easy to sell on eBay. as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and if you like this video, just like and subscribe below. Drop us a couple comments on to give us some hints on other videos you might need. And to that, we'll see you later. And we're gonna cheers. Cheers.
Cheers to your first item sold on eBay.
Let's make that money.
Good luck.